Hello friends, hello everyone, hello parents. Today we are here with our kids at Explore, the fun, feel, enjoyment, entertainment. We have come for the farewell party for our kids because academic year 2021-22 has been ending. So kids are having fun. So look at your kids and say hi to each one of you. Hi! So this is Mitansh, Nisang, Rudra, hi! Hi Drishiv! So they are enjoying over here. Hi Piyu! Jiansh, hi! Hi Sachi! Hi Ziva! Hi Hitesh! Hi Yug! Paridhi! Hi Devik! Devik! Hi! So they are enjoying over here. All the kids are having fun. Hi! Hi Niyati! Kia! So they are jumping also in the trampoline. Paridhi! Come, come! Hi Sar! Hi! Hi Sachi! Ananya! Ananya! Hi! Drishiv! Ma'am, it is at Explore, Dummas Road, VR Mall के सामने. Hi, Varun. Diya. Diya. Atharva! Hi Vanita ma'am! Atharva! So kids are enjoying and having lots of fun. They are having the farewell party over here at Explore. Hi Alice ma'am! Hi Arav! एक्सप्लोर फन जोन हम लोग आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे. बच्चे बहुत ही मजा कर रहे हैं. हाय जितल मैम. हाय सिया. अनन्या. Thank you so much parents for trusting us and sending your kids to the farewell party. I hope you will be enjoying next year too with all the fun activities over here. Moksh, ma'am, Moksh. Yashvi. Hi Sia. All the teachers are also having fun over here. वो लोग भी बहुत मजा कर रहे हैं. Hero. Mitansh is also over here. Juhi is on the. Yes, I will show you. If you want to see your kids, I will show definitely. I will show Ditya in a minute. I'll just go to her very soon. Hi Paridhi. So I'll be going on the slide now. Yes, I'm also sliding. Ditya, where is Ditya? Ditya. Hi Yatharth. Hi Vani. Kahan, Rajat, say hi to Mama. Kahan, hi. Bhavya ma'am, where is Ditya? Hi Ditya. It is MCU International Preschool. We are having the farewell party over here at Explore, the fun game zone near Dummas Road. You can surely visit. Hello. अरे दूध आज नक्की देवानो बाहर मुक्की जगह Where is Mitansh? Rudra. Rudra, say hi to Mama. The kids are over here only. Every kids are here and they are enjoying. Yes, definitely the kids are enjoying. Hi Vanita ma'am. Atharva, hi. Atharva, hi. Kids are spreaded all over the game zone, the Funky Monkey. So as soon as I see Mitansh, sorry, so I will definitely show you, ma'am. Ananya is over here. Atharva, hi. चलो slide करें. चलो अथर्वा slide पे जाएंगे. Thank you so much. Hi Moksh. Yeah, this is Mitansh. Mitansh, say hi to Mama. मितांश हाई करो मम्मा को. जाओ स्लाइड पे जाओ. No, he is not playing alone. He is enjoying. I have clicked all the children photos. सारे बच्चों को मैंने फोटोज लिए हुए हैं. Don't worry. I will share to you definitely. Thank you so much. अथर्वा गो. आर यू एन्जॉयिंग? अथर्वा मजा आवे छे? अथर्वा मजा आवे छे? यस, ही इज द हीरो. very junior to our school. Hi Ananya. Jiansh is also here. Can you see? Jiansh and Devik are playing together. I will show you. Can you see Jiansh, Devik, Nisang, Ananya? Hi Kabir, Vyan. Hi Sarth. You are most welcome, ma'am. Teachers are also over here to see your child, don't worry. And we have clicked so many photographs for you all. And we'll be sharing with you all. Can you see our game zone over here? There are the team for Explore also. They'll be watching our kids and helping us to slide down. Hello, ma'am. I'm also going down by sliding down only, as I have to also enjoy. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, I will definitely show you Kia. Kia! They're enjoying. Hi Kia! Kia! Hi Dravya, thank you so much. Hi Rajat, thank you so much. Hi Ananya, Ananya, बैठो. Ananya चलो. Kabir, go in the train. Hi, ma'am. Hi, Kabir. So, Rajat is sitting outside, having fun over there in the game zone. Yes, ma'am, I will definitely show you Niyati. Niyati is sitting in the train. Hi, Niyati. सारे बच्चों यहाँ पे ही है हमारे साथ. डोंट वरी पेरेंट्स, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ट्रस्टिंग अस एंड सेंडिंग योर किड्स. हाय अथर्वा. So we'll be coming again for live on next Saturday. Till then, bye. Thank you so much. And kids are having fun. They are safe over here with us. And see you soon at branch at 11:30. Okay, bye. Take care, everyone.